What benefits does a banana peel have for your garden? So many benefits. When you're eating this little banana, which is one of my favorite things, think about what that banana peel is going to do in your garden. You can plant this around your plants. Just cut it up with scissors and put it into the soil around your plants, but don't let it touch the plants. Just put it around the soil. One of the things that banana peels do in the soil is gives the soil calcium. Calcium promotes root growth and it helps put oxygen into the soil for the plants. So that's awesome. It also gives sulfur, which helps the plants develop strong roots and repels pests. So the next time you take a banana and you say, you know what, I feel like a banana, think about what this does for your garden. So many wonderful things, the banana peel. It is awesome. And you have a great day.